Quick cauliflower and broccoli soup. For this quick soup, you will need 2 Coles cauliflower and broccoli soup pouches, some olive oil, cauliflower and broccoli florets, tofu and basil. All you have to do is heat, fry and serve for it to be ready in 20 minutes. Start by heating the cauliflower and broccoli soup with cashew nuts. Pour the soup into a medium saucepan over medium heat and stir without boiling until heated through. While you're heating up the soup, cook the toppings. Heat olive oil in a non-stick frying pan over medium heat. Cook the cauliflower and broccoli, turning for 5 minutes or until browned and tender. Remove the vegetables from the pan and pop on a plate. You can get organised by frying the vegetables up to 2 days ahead. Just store them in the fridge. Heat some more oil in the frying pan and add the tofu pieces. Cook turning them as you go for 5 minutes or until the tofu is crisp and golden. Ladle the soup into serving bowls and top with the fried cauliflower and broccoli, crispy tofu and some basil leaves. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Take a shortcut to a warming and hearty meat-free meal with this quick cauliflower and broccoli soup. For the full recipe, see the description below. For more 5-ingredient dinners, head to our What's for Dinner playlist here.